Hey, Tom from Tom's Toons. This is just a quick tip when you've got your boat ready to start coming back together. I've got my back sheet of plywood on, but before I go ahead and lay everything on here, I'm gonna run my electrical harness from pontoonstuff.com. We've got videos that explain this more in depth, but it has color-coded wires like this gray with green, which is for your navigation lights on the bow, gray with a black stripe, which is your docking lights, orange with a white stripe for a horn. I have a gray with a blue stripe for my anchor light or stern light, and a brown with an orange stripe for a bilge pump or other accessory. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna run this along with my shift throttle controls, steering cable, and ignition harness. That's gonna have it in place underneath the deck before I put the floor on. It's gonna make my life a lot easier to do it now rather than have to climb under the boat and chase it through all these places later. I'm gonna go ahead and run this. We'll show you what it looks like. And in the matter of just a minute or two, I've got my harness run, my bow wires going forward to be wired in the front, my main power and ground going back towards where the battery is. I've got my plug-in for my switch panel at the dash. That's gonna stay right here. And my stern light. Everything's in place. Now I can put the deck on, start piecing this back together, and my wires will already be where they need to make my job a little easier, a little quicker, a lot simpler.